Hi, this is Mr. West, and today we're doing a tutorial video on multiplying by 10. This, of course, is from mathdrills.com. They have tons of great resources. Make sure to click on the link in the description below to see more. I also have a bunch of playlists for Math Drills videos, so make sure to check out the content I have on my channel. So we're talking about multiplying by 10 in this video. Multiplying by 10 is everyone's favorite, and for good reason. So here I have the multiples of 10. That means I multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And you're going to notice a pretty distinct pattern here. So you'll notice that it just goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And it's just the same number you're multiplying by, for example, 10 times 7, with an added 0. So essentially what you do, anytime you multiply by 10, you're going to add a 0 to whatever number you're multiplying by. And that works with not just single digit numbers, it works with double digit, with triple digit. It doesn't matter. Any number you multiply by 10, you're going to add a 0 to the end. So it makes it really simple. You don't have to do the standard algorithm. So don't get caught up into doing, for example, I'm doing this problem right here. If you do 0 times 2, you get 0. 0 times 1, you get 0. I need to drop down a 0 for the standard algorithm. This is a good review for standard algorithm, by the way. Then we do 1 times 2, 1 times 1. I get 0, 2, 1 when I add. Look what I did. I got 120 for my answer. Essentially, I just add a 0 to 12 and it becomes 120. So that's a much more simple way to do this multiplication without having to do the standard algorithm for all these problems. Even something as simple as 10 times 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. I just added a 0 to that 2 and I got the answer. So it makes it much more simple. Check this out. So I have a 5. I'm going to add a 0. The answer is 50. I have an 8. I multiply by 10. I'm adding a 0. The answer is 80. And really, that's it. So the answer is kind of in front of you for each one of these questions. You just add a 0 to all of them. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions on this particular worksheet, go ahead and leave a comment. If you have any other questions on a different math concept or a different multiplication table, I have other videos on those multiplication tables as well, but leave a comment with a specific question, and I can even make a video for you. Again, mathdrills.com has tons of great resources besides multiplication tables. Make sure to check them out, and I look forward to seeing you next time right here on West Explains Best.